For this recipe, we are using 1 pound of skinless salmon fillet. If your salmon has the skin on just like mine, let me show you how to remove it. Place the salmon fillet on a cutting board skin side down. Hold the end tail of the skin and make sure that you have a good grip on it. With a sharp knife at an angle, create a separation between the skin and the flesh. Then flip the salmon fillet over and gently pull the skin off just like so. Touch the salmon with your fingers and make sure that you don't have any bones left. The belly portion of the salmon fillet we're not going to be using since it's way thinner than the other part of the salmon. Cut the thin belly part of the salmon off and save for a different recipe. Now that the salmon fillet is roughly about the same thickness, cut into bite-sized pieces. Transfer the salmon bites into a mixing bowl. Then season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Give that a toss until all the salmon pieces are evenly coated. Then in a skillet over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once the oil is smoking hot, transfer the salmon bites into the skillet. Make sure that the salmon bites are in a single layer. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until your desired level of doneness. Keep in mind that salmon cooks quickly. Make sure that you don't overcook it. Oh, and one more thing. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. And once the salmon has been cooked to your desired doneness, remove from the skillet and set it aside. Using the same skillet, reduce the heat to medium. Then add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. As the butter is melting, add 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Give that a stir to combine and bring to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, bring the salmon bites back into the skillet. Coat the salmon pieces in the honey butter garlic sauce. Cooked salmon internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I like serving my honey butter garlic glazed salmon bites with a side of white rice. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with a couple of wedges of lemon. And now you're good to go! There you guys have it, honey butter garlic glazed salmon bites. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.